Hello everyone, my name's Anna Sullivan and today we're going to be making stuffed bell peppers. I'm a dietetic intern at Sam Houston State University here at AgriLife Extension in Walker County. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing we need to talk about is our bell peppers. I've already pre-cut them and taken the seeds and the center part already out. You're gonna need 6 of them. Next, we're gonna mix all of our ingredients together that are going to be inside of our bell peppers. So that's 1 cup of quinoa, 1 pound of ground turkey or ground beef. I'm doing turkey. Then onions. It's 3/4 of a cup. Then we're gonna add 3 16 ounces of black beans. This recipe also calls for 3 cans of 8-ounce tomato sauce. So I got a bigger one that was 24 ounces. And then we're gonna add our spices, which is 3 teaspoons of the cumin, 3 teaspoons of the garlic powder, and 3 teaspoons of the chili powder. And add that. You may want to use a bigger bowl than me, but after you're done adding, mix it all together. And once you're done mixing, we're going to add it to our Instapot. So I will see you guys when we're doing that. Now we're going to fill up our bell peppers and put them into the crock pot. Once you're done filling up your bell peppers with your mixture, you're gonna set your Instapot for 10 minutes. So, I'll see you in 10. It's been 10 minutes and it's smelling delicious. So let's see how it is. You can see right in front of me, I've already pulled some out. They are delicious looking. Once you've taken them out, you can garnish them yourself or let your family or friends do it for you. I would definitely use this recipe when I'm having friends over and want something other than a taco salad or others. So I'm gonna add some cilantro, some cheese. Unfortunately, we can't add the cheese before. I absolutely love some melted cheese on my food, but unfortunately we can't with the Instapot. Then some lime juice and some salsa if you want to add some more spice. But I hope you enjoy it and have a great day.